Sold as a pair, left and right. Maintenance-free. Enhances load-carrying ability. 500 lb. Capacity at 50% compression. Reduces and stabilizes sway. SumoSprings are a patented suspension product designed to enhance load-carrying ability, stabilize sway, and improve overall driver control and ride comfort. They are maintenance-free, do not leak air, and do not require airlines or compressors. SumoSprings are manufactured in a variety of heights, diameters and densities to support multiple front and rear applications. They are manufactured from proprietary closed micro-cellular urethane, providing a smooth and progressive spring rate with superior damping properties. Top reviews from the United States. Better control. It reduced the harshness of the roads, i.e. potholes, dips and uneven road surfaces. Improved handling as well.